Hello, amazing people. Thanks for stopping by. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily make your passion twist using your Brazilian wool, the normal Brazilian wool. I'm going to show you guys how to do this from A to Z, how you can save a whole lot of money by doing your own passion twist yourself at home using Brazilian wool. So guys, these are the materials we need. Okay, we need a normal Brazilian wool. We need something like this. It can be a broom or whatever. So next I'm going to do is just to roll and cut my Brazilian wool to the length I want. Remember, the longer length you want means you have to make sure your Brazilian wool is longer. So when I'm done, I have to count 15 pieces. Okay, I still make it up to 20 pieces, it doesn't matter. So when I count that, I'll start to roll the Brazilian wool on my material. Okay, just get something like this. You can use anything, just use it to start rolling the Brazilian wool round. Okay, keep rolling the Brazilian wool like that till you get to the tip, and when you get to the tip, then you can go ahead and use the leftover from the Brazilian wool to knot it. Okay, before switching over to the other side. If you don't have enough leftover to do this, you can always get an extra Brazilian wool to give it a knot. Okay, so when you're done, switch over to the other side and repeat the same thing. Okay, it's as easy as ABC. Anybody can do this. You can save a whole lot of money, save money, and do your own passion twist yourself. It's very easy to do. Okay, so this is just what I did. When I counted 15 pieces of Brazilian wool, I start to roll it on my material just like that. Okay, so keep rolling till you get to the tip. When we are rolling, you can do as if you are twisting it a little bit, not just rolling it like that. Okay, try to twist it a little bit while you roll. Okay, so for us to get a very nice coils, that's why we are doing this. Like I said, you can use an extra Brazilian wool to knot it if you don't have enough leftover to do this. Okay, then when you are done, switch over to the other side and repeat the same thing. Okay, keep rolling. While you roll, you kind of twist it a little bit. Okay, not just rolling it, because we need coils. That's the reason why we are doing this. And when you are done, just use your extra Brazilian wool to knot it. You don't have enough leftover to do that. So finally, when I'm done, this is what we have. You can do as many as possible depending on the one that will help enough to go around your hair. So the next thing is to apply hot water. Just put it in a bowl or in a bucket and pour hot water. When I mean hot water, like water that boiled, 100% hot water. Just pour it and make sure that every part of the Brazilian wool is touched by the water. Then the next thing is to bring it out and lose it. Okay, lose it just like that. It's very easy to lose. There's nothing difficult there to do. Okay, when you are done losing, then I'll show you guys the next thing to do. Remember what we are doing? We're actually trying to make our own passion twist. So guys, I'm simply showing you how to make passion twist at home using your Brazilian wool, the normal Brazilian wool. Okay, you can save a whole lot of money by doing this yourself. So when you are done losing, the next thing is to separate the Brazilian wool. Okay, just separate it. See what I'm doing. When you separate it, you will get something like this. The next thing is to count maybe 5 pieces of the Brazilian wool. Okay, then use your Brazilian wool to construct something like a rope. You see what I did? Just use it to tie 2 ends to get something like that. Then place the Brazilian wool on the rope and then start to twist to your right. Okay, remember what we are doing, passion twist, so you have to be twisting to your right. Okay, if you are left-handed, it means you have to twist to your left, but if you are right-handed like me, you have to twist to your right. Okay, so keep twisting till you get to the tip of the Brazilian wool. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, go ahead and give this video a like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please share my videos. Okay, so when you lose your Brazilian wool as easy as this, then go ahead and separate the Brazilian wool, select it to be 1 Then after separating it, the next thing is to count 5 pieces. You can equally use 6 pieces depending on the volume. Okay, the volume of the passion twist you want. And like I said earlier, the length, it will be determined by you. If you want a short passion twist, it means you'll have to cut your Brazilian wear in a shorter length. But if you want a longer one, then you have to cut it in a longer length. So when you get like 5 pieces, then you start to twist to your right, like I said. Okay, you start to twist it to your right. If you're left-handed, then you have to do the other side, meaning you have to twist it to the left. Okay, so keep doing this, okay, till you get to the tip. This is what you will continue doing till you get enough passion twist that will be okay for your hair, that will go around your hair. And you can just do this and install it yourself. I'm actually going to do a video on how to install this passion twist on your hair. But if you can't install it yourself, you can just take it to a nearby salon. They will charge you a little amount of money and give it to them. They will just install it. It's very easy. With this, you have saved a whole lot of money for yourself, that you use the money to do other important things. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you actually waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that once I upload new videos you will get notified. And please guys, do not forget to like this video, comment, and please share my videos with your friends. Okay, a whole lot of people, they are looking for easy to do tutorials like this. So you sharing my videos will enable them to get access to these videos. And please liking will enable more distribution. And please share. Okay, if you have any question, you know you are free to drop it in the comment section. Definitely I will answer all your questions. And this is what we have, guys. This is just what you continue doing till you get the number you need. Okay, the one that will be able to go around your hair. So this is exactly how to get your own passion twist. Do your own passion twist yourself at home using Brazilian wool. Brazilian wool is not even that costly. You can save a whole lot of money by doing this. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to like, share, and comment. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.